Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10e, and let me show you how to set an alarm on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, so just swipe up to open it and then go to the clock icon. So just tap on this icon, it's here, and now you can simply add alarm by tapping on the plus add alarm icon. Now you have to select the hour on which you would like to be, for example, wake up, so it can be 6, and then select the day, so maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Let's name this alarm, so wakey wakey. Tap on save to save it. You can also change the sound of your alarm, so just click here and now you can select it, allow. And as you can see, there's plenty of sounds of ringtones, so let me pick, for example, sunlight. You can change the volume if you want to, and I believe this one is a good one, so let's leave it this way. And now just tap on save. So on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday at 6 o'clock your alarm will ring. It will wake you up. If you would like to add some other alarm, just tap on plus, then select some rules, so it can be 6, then Sunday, Saturday and Friday. Let's type hard reset, so you can check all our tutorials on the weekends. So this alarm will ring on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. If you would like to deactivate, for example, this alarm while you're on holiday, you can simply switch it off here, and then once you're back in your normal life and you have to wake up to work, just switch it on one more time. You can also delete the alarms by tapping on more icon and select delete. Now pick the alarm that you would like to delete permanently. It can be this one, and then tap on delete. And that's it. Now you can add as many alarms as you want to. You can use it as a reminders or just waking up alarms. So that's it. Enjoy your alarms. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.